Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In the additional in yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, August the 12th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. The last puzzle I will do is the Tectonic with 4 stars, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it a cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 6916. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13. And this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 by 11. Jigsaw Sudoku. Alright. In the regular puzzles, we have 9 by 11. And sometimes in the additional, especially with 1 star, it has 8 by 8, I believe. Yeah, or 9 by 9. I do not know. But this one, let me start. Yeah, let's get started. First question to you is for 4 stars puzzle, yeah, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. We'll see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here, only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already filled in. So those 2 boxes will be 1 or a 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 5 in the same area, so it can't be a 5 anymore. Should be a 4 then. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here quadra box, there quadra box, and here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the numbers here could be everywhere. Same for here. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, and here all the numbers could be everywhere. Okay, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first one that the first shape, figure, yeah, this one. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have the same shape but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. The following shape. How about the Z or the S constriction? If you rotate this, you will get the Z. If you flip this, you will get the S. Let me draw this here. When you see this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 3 of them. Then I believe the last shape, the L shape, rotated. This, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. And it's also connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum was 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place the 3 there because this box is connected with that box. So if I place a 3 here, that box should be also a 3, but we already have 3 here in the same area. So not the solution, place the 3 there, the 3 supposed to be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. If I place a 1 here or a 2 here, I cannot fill any 1 in or any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. Then these are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 1 here or 2 there, I cannot fill any 1 or any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 in this area should be here or there. 1 and a 2 as a pair. The other pair in this Z construction should be the numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. And this box is also connected with that box, should be 3 and 4. Is connected with this box is also 3 or 4. And that box is also connected 3 or a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. Okay. Let me think. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place the 5 there. Because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution. Place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5. Should be here. Alright. Okay. Let me think. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay, this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4 in this area. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. Alright. And now, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Same story, we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. This box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and a 2. 4 and a 2, okay. Let me think. This box gave me a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. That box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes surround a 5. Can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Well, this box can be a 3. We have a 3 there, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for the number 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Right. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes in there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I marked this box with 3 or a 4. We have a 4 now, so it can't be a 4 anymore. Should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. And that box is also connected with this box, should be also 3. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 box left in this Z or S construction for number 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes in there. Then, let me think. Well, yeah. Yeah. Okay, come on. I'm waiting. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5 here. Okay. Need a 3 here. Wow. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. Well. This box can be 1, can be 3, can be 5. So 2 or a 4 is connected with that box. 2 or a 4. Okay. So I need a 1 in this quarter box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We need a 1 in this area. If you place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be there, and I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and I need a 1 here. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 3 here, so the 3 goes there. Alright, then, well, I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finishing 17 minutes. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You will find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the samurai Sudokus, aka quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. We'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku in the evening. So until then, bye bye for now.